Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is running around 332728 area. Though market is trying to recover, but there is not much volume. So yesterday we discussed about few levels. We also discussed about the possibility of a recovery and about few selling opportunities. Okay, and we can see that our level worked nicely. Hope you guys made some good money. I won't say very good profit because the volume is very low, but hope you guys made some good money. Okay, so you can see that there is another level here that I have drawn on the chart, which is 3370. Yes, 3370 is a level where you can look for a sell for the day. But before we proceed with the levels, okay, we need to keep in mind that today is an important day because of FOMC. Okay, if you look at the economic calendar, you can see we have a long list of events. Out of all these events, FOMC is the most important. So please be careful, okay, during FOMC because market will be volatile. If you see that there is a sudden trend reversal or market is dropping very fast, follow the trend of the market. That is the only solution. Because when fundamentals news dominate, technicals do not work. That is a bitter reality. So if you are a trader, you need to know when you should be going with the technicals and when you should be going with the fundamentals. And for the timing, okay, check the economic calendar and check the time of FOMC on your time zone. And if you look at the market sentiment, you can see gold steady ahead of FOMC decision. So gold is steady ahead of the FOMC decision due later today. While the FOMC is widely expected to leave rates unchanged, the focus will be on whether Fed Chair Powell offers any hint of a September rate cut in his press conference. So market is expecting that there won't be any rate cuts. But if Fed talks about a rate cut, okay, rate cut, then you can expect DXY to go down. If they talk about rate cuts, then there's a possibility that dollar may go down. If dollar goes down, then okay, we can expect gold to go up. Or if they don't talk about rate cuts at all, then there is a possibility that okay, dollar may go up. On that scenario, okay, we may see gold going down. But this is in theory only because at the time of news, market move differently because this is a bitter reality that market manipulation is highest at the time of news. So please be careful. If you're a beginner, new trader, okay, just avoid the news. Okay. And this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. So as we can clearly see that gold is right now trading around the zone that we discussed yesterday. And right now gold is trying to recover. So do you think that this recovery is powerful or bulls are dominating? Obviously no. Okay, why? Because see, if we zoom in, we can see that we have a mix of red and green candles. The move is not clear. We have a mixture of two colors, so this kind of move are not very convincing. And one more thing I would like to add here is that whenever you will be confused regarding the trend, or you just want to know who is dominating the market, the buyers or sellers. So whenever you have a question in your mind that who is dominating the market, buyers or sellers, always look at the left hand side and compare. So this is the current scenario, and if we need to compare the left hand side, we can see that the left hand side of the market is showing some big red candles. So who is dominating? We had a confusion, and now we can see that sellers are dominating. So in this situation, be careful, and as a result we will be looking for sell positions only unless gold breaks 3350. Yes, 3350 is a crucial level. Unless market breaks 3350, gold will be under pressure. When gold will be above 3350, we can expect that next target is 3400. But as of now, gold is under pressure. So during the day, if we see that gold is going up, then we can look for a sell around, or the first selling opportunity is around 3354, 3350. The blue box here, okay, the blue box here is the zone where we can look for a sell position during the day. Why? Because see, 3350 first of all is a round number psychological resistance, and moreover, okay, if we add FIBO, we can see FIBO 38.2% retracement level, and hopefully the 200 moving average will also be here. So if we combine all the factors, 335055 should act as a resistance at least before the news. After news, God knows, but before news, okay, we can expect that, okay, if market shows price rejection from above, we can hit the sell button. The second selling opportunity, okay, is around 3370, the black line here. Okay, why are we considering 3370? Because this is the level from where market started falling. Okay, and again we have FIBO 50% retracement level. But as I said, 3350 is going to be a key level, crucial level for market. Market is below 3350, it will be under pressure. If it breaks it, okay, slowly market may go for a trend reversal, because the structure of the market will change. If I ask you now, what is the structure of the market? Market is forming lower highs and lower lows. But if it breaks 3350, then the structure of the market will be higher highs. There will be a structural change. So 3350 is going to play a major role, not major, major role. Let's see, time will speak. And as we have already discussed yesterday also, okay, 3300 to 05, okay, this is going to be a support for us, especially during the day. In a market structure like this, where market is forming lower lows and lower highs, okay, buying at the previous low is not at all a good decision. But 3300 is a round number, and we can see the market is trying to take support. And in a market like this, where we have low volume, okay, in a low volume market like this, we can expect that market will get some support. Not a trend reversal, but we are day traders. Okay, so we can expect that at least we can get a bounce of 50 to 60 pips. If you can score a 50-60 pips bounce in this market, good enough. So if you go for a buy, okay, be careful. Okay, you can go for 1:1 risk to reward ratio. After 50-60 pips, if you see market has further potential, you can continue. Okay, and if after that, if market drops, then the next support zone are same from yesterday. The best support on the chart of gold is still around 326050, this blue box here, but this blue box is far away. So we have another support around 328385 that we discussed yesterday also, this line on the middle. So if market breaks 3300 during the US session, if you see that there is a sudden selling pressure, obviously we can look for a sell below 3300. But the next bounce will be on 3283. See, 3300 is also a key level. Means during the day when volume is low, it will be a support. But when volume will arrive, there's a high chance that market will break it and market will go down. So one level, two trading opportunities. When volume is low, we can buy. When volume is high, selling volume is high, we can go for a sell. So very problematic. Okay, and the next bounce or drop can be around 328385 area. If market takes support, we can look for a buy position. So whatever I discuss, okay, are only valid for the day, okay, because I'm a day trader and we have FOMC coming up. So if you are planning to take or execute these trades, okay, after 2 days, 3 days, then don't go for it, because these levels are solely for today before FOMC. I'm a day trader, my forte is day trading. Okay, if you're looking for swing trades, okay, if you're looking for swing trades, then yesterday we discussed something, remember? Okay, for swing traders, okay, the market is not very clear, but still, if you have a buy right now, you can hold your buy position as long as gold is trading about 3300. Okay, if you have taken a buy around this area, you can hold your buy. Okay, I'm talking about swing traders now, because market is sideways. If you look at the current candles, market is sideways. Market may go up with a SL below 3300. If it drops below, then 325060 will be the level. And if you're a position trader, then obviously I have not much to say, because for position traders, okay, buy at dip or buy at retracement is the only strategy. Okay, and anyways, my dear friends, okay, and if you're looking for timely updates, analysis, please join the free Telegram community, because if anything crazy happens during the US session, okay, you will get an update in the community, because not possible for me to upload a video. So feel free to join. The link will be in the description. Be careful, there are lots of scammers also. Okay, many scams going on in my name. For example, you can see this is a big group in my name. Okay, it's a scam. This is another group in my name. These are all scams. I do not have any investment schemes. Okay, I don't ask for money. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.